Bandar-Seri Begawan is the capital city of which Southeast Asian country? Brunei, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam. The correct answer is Brunei. Which of the following is the title of Ellen DeGeneres' best-selling autobiography? Seriously? I'm kidding. Yes, please. Not Dead Yet, the memoir. In Pieces. The correct answer is Seriously. I'm kidding. In Greek mythology, who was Adonis? God of war, god of love, god of the underworld, god of fertility? The correct answer is god of fertility. Cleopatra was the last active ruler of which ancient empire? Roman Empire, Greek Empire, Egyptian Empire, Persian Empire. The correct answer is Egyptian Empire. How is Bigfoot's behavior toward humans most often described? Extremely aggressive and dangerous, shy and elusive, friendly and sociable, mischievous and playful. The correct answer is shy and elusive. Which organ in the human body is most vulnerable to cadmium poisoning? Liver, heart, kidneys, lungs. The correct answer is kidneys. Who won the Academy Award for Best Actor for the movie Gladiator? Joaquin Phoenix, Russell Crowe, Denzel Washington, Tom Cruise. The correct answer is Russell Crowe. What material was used to forge the blade of the legendary Japanese sword dachi? Iron, steel, bronze, wood. The correct answer is steel. The Pacific Ring of Fire is known for intense geological activity caused by the movement of what? Tectonic plates, ocean currents, solar winds, lunar cycles. The correct answer is tectonic plates. Which color is most closely associated with the gemstone ruby? Blue, red, green, yellow. The correct answer is red. What's the slang term for having two children born less than a year apart? Irish twins, double bundle, close siblings, rapid pair. The correct answer is Irish twins. Which famous painter is known for cutting off part of his ear? Pablo Picasso, Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, Salvador Dali. The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. Which major conflict was sparked by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand? Crimean War, World War I, Vietnam War, Korean War. The correct answer is World War I. How many wickets are on a standard cricket pitch? 2, 3, 6, 10. The correct answer is 2. Which of the following objects has the shape of a torus? Pretzel, bagel, donut, pizza. The correct answer is donut.